Imagine a world where every task, from driving trucks to composing symphonies, is handled by machines. This isn't a distant sci-fi dream, but a looming reality, where artificial intelligence takes over all human jobs. Throughout history, humans have been the backbone of industry and creativity. Yet, advancements in technology now challenge our role as indispensable workers, raising profound questions about our future. From the first industrial revolution to today's digital era, automation has steadily taken over jobs once thought invincible. The question now is, when will the last human job disappear? In factories and offices worldwide, robots and algorithms are becoming more efficient and cost-effective. As this trend accelerates, the roles for human workers diminish. Experts predict that by mid-century, AI could replace up to 80% of current jobs. This transformation will reshape economies and societies, requiring us to redefine work and human value. But what happens when even the most creative and intellectual tasks fall to AI? How do we prepare for a world where human labor is no longer necessary? This documentary explores the implications of a fully automated world, examining how AI is reshaping industries and what it means for humanity's future. We delve into the technological advances that make this possible, including machine learning, robotics, and big data analytics, which are rapidly outpacing human capabilities. By understanding these trends, we can better navigate the transition towards a post-work society, where the focus shifts from labor to leisure, creativity, and personal fulfillment. In the manufacturing sector, robots already perform tasks with precision and speed beyond human capabilities. These machines work tirelessly without breaks, ensuring consistent quality and efficiency. Automated systems in logistics sort packages efficiently, reducing errors and speeding up delivery times. This transformation is reshaping industries worldwide, making human labor less necessary. In healthcare, AI-driven diagnostics can analyze patient data faster and more accurately than humans. These advancements promise improved outcomes and personalized treatment plans. Financial services utilize AI for risk assessment, fraud detection, and algorithmic trading. These technologies handle vast amounts of data with unparalleled accuracy and speed. AI-powered customer service chatbots provide round-the-clock support, addressing queries swiftly and effectively, enhancing user experience and satisfaction. Transportation sees autonomous vehicles navigating complex cityscapes, reducing accidents and optimizing routes for maximum efficiency. These innovations promise safer and smoother travel experiences. Agriculture benefits from AI-driven drones monitoring crop health and optimizing irrigation, ensuring sustainable farming practices and higher yields. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing education by personalizing learning experiences based on individual student needs, providing tailored feedback and resources. Creative industries see AI generating music, art, and even scripts. While some argue it lacks human creativity, these tools enhance artistic expression and innovation. Legal services employ AI to analyze case law and predict outcomes, improving efficiency and accuracy while reducing the burden on legal professionals. Energy management systems powered by AI optimize grid operations, integrating renewable sources and reducing waste, leading to a more sustainable future. Healthcare robots assist with patient care, from administering medication to performing minor procedures, freeing up medical staff for more complex tasks. AI in retail uses data analytics to forecast consumer trends, optimize inventory, and personalize shopping experiences, transforming how businesses operate. Construction sites deploy AI-driven equipment to build structures faster and safer, using advanced sensors and predictive maintenance to ensure reliability. Environmental conservation efforts benefit from AI tracking wildlife populations and predicting ecosystem changes, aiding in effective protection strategies. AI in security provides advanced threat detection and response capabilities, safeguarding critical infrastructure and public spaces from potential dangers. AI in sports analyzes player performance, strategizes game plans, and enhances fan engagement through immersive experiences, transforming the athletic landscape. AI-driven marketing tools tailor advertisements to individual preferences, increasing effectiveness and relevance while respecting privacy concerns. In the hospitality industry, AI manages reservations, customizes guest experiences, and streamlines operations, enhancing service quality and efficiency. AI in transportation, planning optimizes routes, schedules, and fleet management, reducing costs and environmental impact while improving service reliability. AI in fashion design creates innovative patterns and styles, using data to predict trends and customize garments for individual customers. AI in food production ensures safety and quality, optimizing recipes and predicting consumer tastes, leading to more efficient and healthier food supply chains. AI in education supports teachers by grading assignments, identifying learning gaps, and offering targeted interventions, enhancing educational outcomes. AI in public administration improves service delivery, from tax collection to citizen support, ensuring transparency and accountability, while streamlining processes. In healthcare, AI revolutionizes diagnostics, predicting diseases before symptoms appear. Machine learning algorithms analyze medical images and patient data for early detection, saving countless lives and improving quality of life. AI-driven autonomous vehicles promise safer roads by eliminating human error. Self-driving cars use advanced sensors and algorithms to navigate traffic, reducing accidents and congestion in urban areas around the world. Artificial intelligence transforms manufacturing with robots performing repetitive tasks efficiently. These machines work around the clock, ensuring consistent quality and productivity, while freeing up human workers for creative roles. In agriculture, AI-powered drones monitor crop health, optimizing water and fertilizer usage. Sensors and satellite imagery provide farmers with real-time data, enabling precision farming techniques that increase yield and sustainability. As AI advances, it reshapes our world, making jobs obsolete, but also creating opportunities for new industries and roles. The key lies in adapting and embracing these changes. Imagine a future where AI manages complex tasks, freeing humans to focus on creativity, innovation, and solving global challenges like climate change and healthcare. In this transformed society, education systems must evolve to equip people with skills that complement AI, ensuring they remain valuable contributors to society. We must also address ethical concerns and ensure equitable access to AI technologies, preventing a widening gap between those who benefit and those left behind. Governments and businesses have a role in crafting policies that support workers during transitions, providing training and resources for upskilling and reskilling. While AI replaces many jobs, it also creates new ones. Roles requiring human empathy, creativity, and critical thinking remain essential and highly valued. The integration of AI into every aspect of work means rethinking how we measure value and productivity, shifting focus from hours worked to outcomes achieved. This shift requires a collaborative effort between technologists, policymakers, educators, and communities to navigate the complexities and opportunities ahead. Ultimately, the future isn't about AI replacing humans but rather augmenting our capabilities, allowing us to achieve more than ever before. By preparing ourselves and our societies for this transformation, we can harness the power of AI to build a brighter, more sustainable future for all. Let us embrace this era of technological advancement with optimism and foresight, working together to shape a world where technology serves humanity's highest aspirations.